How to find trading password on Kucoin. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can find trading password on Kucoin. For this, you want to open the Kucoin app or website on your device. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to find the Kucoin password, you want to click on the profile icon. Then you want to click on account security from there. Here you will have different options. Scroll down to the advanced settings section and from there you will find the trading password option. Obviously, the password will not be shown over here. Simply click on the change option. Once you click on the change option over here, now if you know the old trading password, you can enter that and create a new password. But since you have forgotten your password, you want to click on the forgot trading password option. Once you click on this option, it's going to take you to this page. From here, you can reset your password. The first thing you have to do is security verification. For that, you will have to enter your email verification, your SMS verification code, and your Google two-factor authentication code. Then you want to click on the next option. Next step is the identity verification. Once that is done, you can simply reset your password and create a new one. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.